All right, guys, we got just 2 more pieces for that Bronco interior I've been putting off for months and months and months. It's finally time to do it. Right here, we got 1 and 2. Let's pull the paints. Boom. I have loved this brand, SEM Color Coat. They do a fantastic job at paint matching colors. The color shades are fantastic. This is just kind of like a promoter. It's supposed to help kind of melt the plastic a little bit, sink in that color even better. Already prepped them. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna wipe it down real fast with this little cloth, get that nice and ready to go, and then boom, paint time. We've wrapped up with the paint prep. That is just to get the contaminants out, much like a degreaser. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna smack that with this mysterious branded LVP plastic. This will go ahead, this will make the plastic nice and soft. Then immediately afterwards, if it's still wet, boom, smack it with that color coat. Let's hit it with a few more coats. After about 4 solid color coats, here we go, all done. I have finally put this months and months of procrastination to rest in about 10 to 15 minutes. Turned out super nice. That LVP stuff really does not disappoint. I'd say 4 color coats is absolutely perfect on this thing. I mean, it's already hard enough to put a light color on top of a gray, but I am telling you, this LVP stuff is just absolutely phenomenal. And as a refresher, these steps, we did the plastic prep first as a degreaser, went ahead with the plastic adhesion promoter, and finished it off with the color coat SEM Saddle Tan. I cannot wait to finally piece all this together, throw it all inside this thing, get the interior all finally put back together, because right now it looks about as junkyard can get. Yeah, I was not kidding. I mean, the dash is ripped out. We sealed up the holes over the winter time just to prevent mice and getting in as easy as they can, but yeah, I mean, this thing is just bare steel all inside. So I can't wait, man. It is way too long. Thank you so much, SEM, once again. Fantastic products.